Get ready for the game changer. Mr. Tech is about to revolutionize the firewood game. We're diving into a new era with creative tools that boost speed and efficiency. Watch as we transform this process. This horizontal saw, though aged and rusty, holds potential with proper maintenance. Clean the blade meticulously to minimize friction and use turpentine oil for lubrication. This ensures smooth operation and prevents sap buildup. Cedar shingles demand precision. This saw, with care, can deliver. A homemade firewood splitter crafted from a vehicle wheel. Simple in design, yet a powerhouse of efficiency. It doesn't just split logs, it dominates wood of varying sizes with ease. Imagine turning a humble wheel into a tool that transforms hours of labor into minutes. Ingenious simplicity at its finest. Engineered for efficiency, this roller crusher features an optimized transmission ratio that ensures high torque at low speeds. Its durable motor is built to last, making it the ideal solution for processing branches and firewood seamlessly. It's the ultimate backyard assistant for those who demand precision and performance. Ever wondered how logs that seem impossible to split are reduced to small, manageable pieces? With the mighty 22-ton hydraulic splitter, what once seemed like an insurmountable task becomes a breeze. The diesel engine roars to life, and suddenly the logs meet their match. What if I told you that the fastest woodcutter was built entirely from scrap parts? No need to buy anything. It cuts logs up to 13 centimeters. But when rough wood enters the hydraulic wood machine, everything changes. The real kicker? The smaller hydraulic cylinder that makes it all run faster, turning waste into speed. The combination of the power of an old tractor and the precision of a saw creates an efficient and powerful cutting system. The tractor's engine provides stable torque, while the saw harnesses it to cut wood with excellent speed and accuracy. It's the perfect blend of mechanical engineering. Firewood splitters are really fast and amazing. The important thing is that someone could become disabled for life. Therefore, it's better to use a foot control system where pressing it activates the hydraulic mechanism. That's the best way. Let's talk about mobility and precision. The Logisol Chainsaw Mill, powered by steel, gives you both. With an aluminum guide bar that extends for ultimate accuracy, it's like having an Alaska mill that's more stable and easy to maneuver. For woodworkers who demand the best, this tool is a must-have for your toolkit. Dealing with piles of firewood can be overwhelming, especially when you don't have the right equipment. Enter the vertical wood splitter on a tractor, your new best friend. Tackling any pile, no matter how heavy or bulky, this powerhouse takes the struggle out of wood processing, making the job quick and hassle-free. Who would have thought that something as small as a coffee maker could cut through thick logs with ease? The Poulan 5200 is here to surprise you. Don't let its compact design fool you. Its cutting blade delivers power and precision that'll make you want to take on any project. You won't believe the power of this custom wood splitter. It's mounted on a T40 tractor and powered by an electric motor and gearbox. A combination that makes splitting logs easier and faster than ever. Have you ever seen something this efficient? Let's make your woodwork quicker and smoother. A handcrafted bandsaw mill, powered by a gas engine, brings a blend of precision and reliability to your woodcutting needs. With its long saw blade, it offers superior control and consistent cuts, ideal for woodworking projects demanding high accuracy. This tool is engineered for those who appreciate craftsmanship and durable performance. This design solves the challenge of manual labor in wood splitting. With the Bulldozer fitted with a splitting head, the operator avoids the wear and tear of physical labor. It's a perfect blend of comfort, power, and productivity, solving the problem of efficiency in wood splitting once and for all. If I told you this machine was born from absolute dedication, what would you think? This is a chainsaw powered by PTO, but it's not just metal and gears. It's the passion and determination of a man who believes that everything can be better, even the simplest of tasks. A work of love and commitment. The Vakula semi-automatic firewood splitter is a game changer. After 2 years of flawless performance, it continues to prove itself as a reliable powerhouse, effortlessly tackling even the toughest wood. Its efficiency and consistency make it a must-have for anyone serious about firewood processing. The Kirpan CH32K horizontal wood splitter is a top-tier solution for forestry professionals. Designed to mount on tractors, it utilizes a robust hydraulic system to generate 31 tons of splitting force, ensuring reliable operation even with dense, tough wood. This tool is engineered for efficiency, providing a seamless and fast splitting process. When power meets precision, the Kirpan CS420 is the ultimate tool for handling massive logs with ease. With a splitting force of 16 tons, it conquers even the toughest, thickest wood. Ideal for those who demand efficiency, it effortlessly delivers firewood of all sizes, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever comes next. Ever felt the burn of working hard in the cold? The homemade wood splitter was born out of sheer frustration. The battle with a heavy axe, struggling to chop wood for warmth. With a perfectly sized handle, it's not too bulky but just right, giving you the leverage needed to get the job done without breaking your back. Feel the difference. The RP200 wood chipper, featuring 6 razor-sharp blades, is engineered for precision and durability. Designed for use with a tractor, it provides unmatched power and efficiency. Whether you're clearing a large plot or processing firewood, this chipper's robust construction ensures consistent, high-quality results every time. What if I told you that cutting and splitting wood could be done at the same time? No more changing tools or wasting precious time. This diesel-powered machine with a rotating clutch and chainsaw combines both tasks into a single motion, creating a whole new way to work smarter, not harder. The Firewood splitter is built with an upper support frame designed to stop the rotor instantly during an emergency. By pushing it fully down, the rotor reverses direction, ensuring immediate cessation of operation. This is a crucial safety feature for anyone handling high-powered machinery. At first, the John Deere stump drill looks like a simple industrial beast. But once it engages with those thick, stubborn tree stumps, something extraordinary happens. What seemed like a slow, heavy process becomes a mesmerizing display of power, turning ancient growth into dust in a flash. The Yafo 4-strum Yor isn't just a log splitter, it's a force of nature. Engineered for durability and raw power, it turns even the toughest logs into manageable pieces with ease. Its performance doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines what power means in firewood processing. The initial trials of the block cutter have been promising. The Schrotac disc, likely marked with the V3S model, combined with the Schrotac gearbox from McCormick's tractor, operates seamlessly. With a transmission ratio of 1 to 4.5, we're achieving a balance of speed and power, paving the way for a new standard in cutting technology. The Frick circular sawmill is a testament to why traditional designs remain so popular. Its long belts reduce tension fluctuations, improve efficiency, and extend the machine's lifespan. Craftsmanship like this is rare today, but its reliability makes it a standout choice for heavy-duty work.
It's the way to Lombard Blaze. Long way to the tractor.
Have you ever wondered if there's a simpler way to split firewood without all the noise and hassle? This homemade splitter does just that. It's simple, effective, and lets you enjoy a good workout without breaking a sweat. Plus, it's a conversation starter when you show it off to friends. I also applied this idea, but with a slight adjustment. I attached it to the TU-Z system of the tractor. This approach helps prevent problems if the drum gets stuck, as your machine won't spin dangerously and fly off. Still, I have to commend your creativity. It's truly an impressive idea.
Here we have a new record drag saw.
The new record drag saw is a beast. Mounted on a sturdy steel frame, its Roseberry 2 horsepower engine roars to life with raw power. But it's a wild one. Its open crankshaft design keeps things unpredictable. Buckle up, it's not for the faint of heart, but when it works, it's a machine to be reckoned with. Ever seen a splitter that combines brute force with smart tech? Meet the 20-ton hydraulic vertical splitter, a powerhouse with an electric brain. It splits logs with ease, but it's the hydraulic inclined piston pump that makes all the difference, pushing power and precision to a new level. The administrative journey into the world of homemade machines has to pause here. Leave your comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to catch the exciting content coming next.